So you gotta get a girlfriend who can help lift the cooler. No useless girlfriend, right?
I don't know what to say to that.
Hey guys, just wanted to give you guys a quick tour of how we got our base camp set up for the evening and for pretty much our next 2 nights. Here, car, 14 by 14 awning that stretches out, and then we got this little 10 by 10 straight leg wall cover to block some wind as well as possible rain, and then of course for some privacy. And then she's gonna go ahead and show you guys around the whole tent setup around the whole place. Kitchen, living space. Still sitting. Welcome to base camp. What's up? Made it. Let me finish up this video. Look who just showed up. Everybody, this is everybody. Go ahead and introduce yourselves.
Jason. Maddie. Abraham.
And the guy passed out in the tent right now is Richard. But yeah, then Bobby and Sheila are on their way. Oh. So what do you guys think of this whole setup? Whew. Go around this way. Other side of the tent, covered but slightly open. All right, all the little lights, getting all homey and cozy. Get ready to cook, sleep. Just already passed out. So fun. Up in our onesies, blowing bubbles. Oh, can't see anything. Oh, this is the grill. Yeah, we're gonna start our fire pit as soon as Bobby and Sheila get to, I guess. Yeah. Alright. Jason setting up his Honda Pilot.
What the heck? What I'm in?
Look at that. All that space. Look how wide that is compared to mine, dude.
My couch look at that. There's like a queen size in there.
I know, right? You could probably do it, dude. Shove it all up in there.
Maybe.
Oh, yours is all blacked out too.
Yeah, it's a nice commercial grade.
Dang. Very nice.
That was it. The rest is up there.
Well, I'm just gonna be cooking like
Do you have a pan?
Campbell's soup.
Are you gonna? Are you videotaping? Shit.
You gave consent. You gave consent. Here's your treat.
All right. All right.
We'll do our own MTV crib right here. Everything's blacked out.
Oh yeah.
Camping 101. There it is.
Beautiful. That.
Got the iPad up on the side mounted
dope.
with the Ultimate ears.
that. Loudspeaker on. All blacked out.
You got the flannel airbed. Everything's blacked out. There you go.
Check that out. Dude, you even have the DVD player up there too.
Yeah,
Dude.
I didn't bring no DVDs though.
Oh, I think I got one or two, but you don't want to watch that stuff. Kid stuff. But no, that's cool. Yeah. Look at that.
All blacked out.
Yeah, dude, this is wide. I like this. You said 10 by 20?
The tent,
Or, yeah.
the Easy Up?
Yeah.
Oh, it's 10 by 15.
Dude, that is... Look how wide. That is perfect. Very nice.